friends, it's Gwen. I'm back in the studio today for a fun unboxing video. I have been gifted this amazing pack of goodies from Spiegelmom Scraps and will be featuring their products in some videos this month. So let's dive on in. Let me show you what they sent me. So I do have a mix of things, some sparkly things, and some super practical things. The Spiegelmom Scrap store does have a selection of adhesive, and I've actually been super keen to try this one here in particular. This is called Tabby Pop Dots. So they're 3D foam dots that come on a roll, and they have this really easy to take off little tab part, so you don't have to fuss too much about getting the adhesive exposed ready to add to your projects. Really good too for shaker pockets because they're obviously 3D foam, so I cannot wait to give those a go. I also got some tear it tape. So this is the 36-yard roll, 1/4 inch double-sided tape, which is great. Scrapbooking basic, which everyone needs. Now we have some pretty things. I might start with this pack here. This is some puffy metallic trim by the looks, or puffy metallic stars. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a gold. This is a really shiny, pretty gold ribbon. How lovely is that? Really sparkly. I love the sparkly things, right? And I love all of her packaging. All the things come in these really sweet little bags that you can repurpose in your craft room, or give as I've used them as little birthday gifts as well. And these are the puffy stars. Oh, they're cute, aren't they? Yeah, it is. It's a trim. They're linked, so you could chop them apart and use them separately, but you can also link them just to keep them linked. How cute are they? I really like those. Really like those. They're fun. Okay, so now we get to jump into all the pretty sequins. The best part, the best part. What has she sent me? So exciting. Oh, these are pretty. So these, I believe, are the February release, or one of the... So she does each month, I think there's 4 special sequin mixes, and I believe this is one from this February. So it's called Hot to Trot. How pretty is that? It's got a really big mix of sizes, so some quite small ones to larger ones, and then these super sweet little hearts that are made of like wood, and one says love. How cute's that? Got 2 packets of those. You can see those would be perfect for Valentine projects. Wow. I also have this one here called Cranberry Bliss. That's really pretty. It's got the magenta kind of color, sort of similar to the Pantone color of the year, and then a really pretty green, like a Christmas green. This does give me Christmas vibes as well, actually. Really pretty. Cranberry Bliss. And they all come in these really fabulous containers that are ready to go. They're proper sealed, really good quality Ziploc bags, and they are very secure, and they fit perfectly in my storage, which I'll show you later. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's called Autumn Wonder, and it's a gold and purple, like golden lilac and white. Oh, that's pretty. So shimmery. So pretty. Love that one. Oh, this one is called Caramel Corn. Oh, I like that too. That's really pretty. It's like peachy apricot, and then it's got a deeper, brighter orange and this pop of blue. That is so sweet. I really like that one. So lovely. Next up is Country Winter. That's pretty too. That's really soft, and it is very wintry looking. It's got the silver and the blue and the pink. This would go really lovely with this too. I love that. That's so pretty. Oh, these are cute. These are just sort of a more basic selection. It's Silver Stardust, but they're really pretty. They're very small, and I'd imagine that they'd be quite good to mix with other collections. So if you wanted to add in a few extra sparkles into something like this, that you could add them in or use them on their own. But I think I would add them into other mixes to kind of personalize them a little bit. That's so fun. Love those. This one is called Dotting Around, and they are dots. They are all the same size, I want to say. They're all the same size. Maybe the black ones are slightly bigger. Actually, yeah, I think the black ones are ever so slightly larger than the white ones. So it's black with white dots and then white with black dots. Super cute. And being black and white, you could use that for so many different projects. Really, really like those too. They're fun. And then this one. Oh, this one's nice too. This one's got autumn vibes. It's called Hold My Hand. And it's a mix of greens, really. Greens and soft browns. And sort of like a turquoise. How pretty is that? That's really nice too. Oh, I'm so lucky. So many really lovely color combinations. So this is my storage. As you can see, I already have quite a big selection of their sequins already. So this is a lovely addition to my current collection. And I keep them all in this container here. It's the perfect width for the little packets. And then I just keep them in a pretty basic kind of color order. I like to keep the whites at the front, and then I'll go through and do like the more peachy, neutral tones, moving to pinks and like the pink combinations. And then I've got blues. So this is all the blue and yellow mixes, and then 2 greens and teals. So that's those there. And then 2 purples. So I can see like this one's going to go very well in with the purples. I've got a few of those. I love those kind of mixes. They're so pretty. And then down to the black and whites and the deeper colors. So I am going to put these with those. Just so that when I flick through, when I'm creating, I can look for a specific color tone. I've got the silvers here at the back, so this is kind of the silvers and the golds. So I am going to put these ones in here, and I think I might put the country winter in here as well. It's a bit tricky because sometimes I'm not sure, like, do I put that in blues? Do I put that in pastels or in silver? I'm going to go with silver because I think I'm going to use that with this silver trim. I really like that combination of the colors. I think that's really pretty. Yeah, so that's that. And I'm going to get to a point very soon, I think, where this container is going to be full. So we'll have to work on that as a separate project. So there's a look at all of the beautiful sequins I received. Be sure to subscribe to see what I create with them. There are lots of videos coming up in the month of February, and I'll see you all next time. Until then, bye.